Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see how you can create any website into a app on the desktop PC. See, this is on my Lenovo laptop, Lenovo AMD Ryzen 5 5625U laptop. Say for instance, there is YouTube. Time and again, if I want to access YouTube, I need to open the Chrome browser and I need to search like www.youtube.com. This is how I regularly browse YouTube to watch any videos. Likewise, you may watch any streaming app, maybe hotstar.com or something like that. So now you can create an app version of this website and install on your desktop. See here, right on your desktop, you can create. See here, uh, here you can create the app. The options are very easy. On the Chrome, just you need to click on the three dots at the right top corner, then click on cast, save and share, and click on install page as app. That's it. And click on install. So when I minimize this, see here, this is just looking like an app. See here at the menu bar. Yeah. And I'll be closing this. Before closing this, I'll be right clicking on this. And when I want to uninstall, you can just click on uninstall here. Okay. I'll be closing this. And likewise, we'll do it for YouTube also. Install YouTube. Okay. Install. So, yeah. Yeah. So YouTube app is here and the Hotstar app is here. We just need to double click on this. That's it. With one click, you can access your favorite website just which is acting as a app on your laptop. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like it, please do hit a like and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.